Here's a sharp truck just in it, unique, especially in classics. Let's check this one over. 1972 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. A gorgeous kind of burnt orange or copper color. Really makes that chrome and bright work pop. And listen to this underneath the hood. 400 small block Chev, stroke to a 427 with 475 horse. 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering. Four-wheel disc brakes, Willwood, slotted and drilled rotors at all four corners, and you can see that bright work. Headlight surrounds, chrome bumper up front, looking good. And take a look at that paint. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out those still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on some good-looking US Mags wheels. Good chrome. There you can see the Willwood slotted and drilled rotor behind it. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this paint's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. This truck's underwent a nice restoration. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'm going to show you that interior a little closer. It's got kind of a cool, modern, but retro seat in it. Good looking. And again, you can see that paint, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Take a look at the bed. Good looking wood bed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see true dual exhaust all the way to the rear. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. QA1 adjustable coilovers up front. Brakes are new. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, let you hear it run. At the very end of the video, Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. If you like these Chevy trucks, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. The vehicles in them are available to purchase then, either online right off our website, or if you make it to see us in person right off our showroom floor. And we get a lot of these trucks in, good looking ones too. This is at the top of the list, beautiful truck. Ford 9-inch rear end posi, 373 rear gears. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this interior. I'll show you what I was talking about. So it's kind of got this plaid fabric, harkening back to days of old, back in the early 70s, but yet it's got that modern look to it. This is beautiful. Seat combination with the exterior and interior of this truck. Charcoal, cloth vinyl, or cloth leather, I should say. Carpeting's new and good. We got a billet specialty steering wheel. Aftermarket gauge cluster and kind of that carbon fiber look on the dash. This truck's got a nice look to it. Retro sound style radio. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There it is. Remember, 400 small block Chev, stroke to a 427, 475 horse, according to the previous owner. Radio, yes, it's working. And sounds good. Nice padded dash. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Headliner looking good. Visor's intact. Whoa. Let's check out this rumble. You gotta like that. Let's slip up to the front, check out this engine bay. Stick around to the very end. Jason will show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride. So look at the underside of the hood, painted to match exterior. There it is. See headers, look like they maybe heavy ceramic, power steering, just nice, clean, simple engine bay. There's some horsepower. HEI ignition. Nice CBF pin system on this hood. Just clean. Nice, clean, simple looking underneath there. Sharp exterior, beautiful interior. 1972 Chevrolet C10. Regular cab, short box. Check out the stance of that truck. Call us, uniqueclassiccars.com. That number to call is 507-386-1726. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Call and consult with a sales consultant. I don't think this truck's going to last too long.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck in a lovely deep copper color. If you like the color of black leather, the matte finish of black leather, there's a lot of that look in this truck. There is stitched material on the door panels, very nicely done. The seats matching it, and then the plaid with the orange matching the color of the copper. Now I did not see that coming. This truck has great acceleration. Strong acceleration. The speedometer is reading fast, so it says I'm doing 70 plus and I'm doing about 55. The temperature gauge is not reading, but the oil PSI is showing 80 PSI. The tachometer is showing 1800, that's the large gauge on the right. Battery is charging at 14 volts, and the fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. The blower motor is working. Looks like the fan switch is broke up, but it's blowing on what I would call low, and it is throwing heat. So if you do need some heat during the cooler season, it's working, and that shows that our engine is warmed up even though the gauge is not reading. Very nice interior. Speakers added in the kick panels, also wrapped in that leather appearing satin black fabric, or vinyl skin as it were. And the steering wheel wrapped in a what seems like a carbon fiber black with aluminum backer with finger grooves, which I always like. Corners nicely. This truck is a great runner, strong running engine. You know, even the headliner and the sun visors in that nice satin black. Take a look at all the pictures and see all the details of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.